Hey guys, Ray here. Welcome back to another video. But today I am once a bread today, and there's a new update for Island. So let's let's hop into it. So first of all is that there's a new slime boss, which is at the slime island. So here, so when you go through the portal, wait, let me just go through the portal. You can see like slimes and stuff, like it's really ordinary and stuff. But look, if you follow the path, like here, it actually goes through somewhere else. And yeah, you can see that this is where you summon the 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 slime boss, or slime king as known as. So okay, so it's basically just like core. You just like go in here, you like hold on to it, or F if you're on a PC. So every 15 minutes you can get you can I mean like you can spawn him. So let's see what he's got. So let's see. Oh my god. Okay, he jumps really wow. Okay, so let's just kill him with my tidal spellbook. It does a lot of damage, and it's the best weapon I ever have. Oh, I could just use a vent bow, which is better. Let's see. Vent bow. Vent bow. Oh, vent bow. Okay, let's see. Do I have arrows? No, I don't. Oh. Anyways, okay. Oh my god, that was close. He does like 25 damage every time. Okay. He's kind of strong, kind of not strong, because he just bounces. And he has a crown. Come on. Ugh. I'm lagging so much from this. Okay, I'm just gonna use my hammer so I can get XP from it. So what did I get? Oh, green sticky gear, blue sticky gear, and yeah. So I've been grinding. And there's like a great chance you can get pink sticky gears, or you just get pink sticky gears, because mostly you get pink sticky gears the most. So yeah. So that's the first part of the update, which is the main part. So now I'm gonna show you wait, let me so if I just go to the main hub. Oh no, I almost fell off. Hello slime. Take that. Hello blue slime. Take that. Okay, let's go. Wee wee wee. So if we just go here, if you go to the maker, you can sell every single food. Like, you don't have to wait. And the best thing is that you can sell like your food every day. So now the most OP way to get lots of money is by selling your food. So it's better than auto funds, but auto funds are like quicker, so you get more money. So basically like this. You have to sell this, you shop. Wait, no. Sell crops, Tom. You sell your wheat and stuff, you get XP. But from like the baking ones, it's much more easier to get XP, I think, because you get like more. So wait, let me check. Where is the pizza? Ah, okay. So I sold like 11. So wait, I'll be right back. Okay, so guys, I'm back now. Let me just see. Oh no. Okay, that doesn't matter. So I got 69 from that only with the daily bonus. And if I just sell one more, yeah, I think selling food is the best because you get the most XP. So yeah, this is actually the most OP way to say hello to the baker and just get money. So look at his brain. Oh my god, he has wheat. Ugh. Oh my god, the wheat is inside his head. Probably in his brain he's eating it. Like, why did the devs do that? Oh my. Wait, let me do something. Oh wait. Oh, never mind. By the way, I am Bread. Do you like me, Becca? Yes. Okay, bye bye. That was really weird. Okay, anyways. Okay, so on the next part. So there are now seasons. So the trees change. And silly old me because I was supposed to get radishes, but I must come back like next spring night. I'm really dumb. I'll do another video tomorrow because oh wait, never mind. So silly of me because there's supposed to be like shelters like on your island. Come on, shelters. So Celsius is here. He tries to sell you like radishes, and you can buy like radish seeds from him, and you can actually plant them, and you can only plant them in spring. So yeah, and you can only sell them in spring too. So yeah, and also he you can and also in summer, which is now, there's no crops, which is weird, and it's next to my search bar thingy. You know, it's a summer. So tomorrow you can actually plant what's it called, pumpkin seeds. But the problem is that developers forgot to do something. They said that you can't plant pumpkin seeds, but you can actually plant them. Let me show you. So come on, boing, boing, boing. Okay, look. So let me get my pumpkin seeds. Oh yeah, by the way, if you're wondering how I got pumpkin seeds, it's because I got them in the Halloween update. Event. See, look, I planted it, and look, I planted, and I planted. But I think the developers said that they can only grow in Halloween, and I think I'm actually growing them. And these seeds are not expensive. Like they cost like 100,000 each. So I can get like 1.5 million from these for just like 15. So these seeds are like really rare. But the problem is that when they when it's fall, which is autumn, if you're in what's it called, England or the UK, you can only buy like you can actually buy a pumpkin seeds, which is the problem. So that makes it like pumpkin seeds not rare anymore, which is like a bad thing, you know. So yeah. Okay, so silly old me, I said that already. Yesterday you can like buy radishes and sell radishes and plant them, and I was with Celtus. I accidentally pressed come back next spring. And here I am, the dumbest UYT ever. 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 E- ever. So, this is the end of the video. So bye. Bye bye. Oh my god, I fell off at the end of the video. Okay, anyways, bye. So guys, after I said goodbye, actually it actually turned full like straight away or autumn. Like look at the grass. I mean like wow. They're all like green and stuff, and here's Celtus like stuck in the hole. Like what the so okay. I'm selling special fall crops. Want to take a look? Okay, view shop. Ooh, this is cool. So you can actually buy pumpkins. Wait, look at this. It sells for 52 coins. It used to be like only 10 coins for one. Oh, you guy, you are really good, boy. Really, really good. Really good. And also, hello, you smell like a farmer. Because you are a farmer. Hello. Oh, hello. Okay, so let me just buy some. So let's see if it's like the same thing. So like, let me buy like, how many can you buy? How many? You can only buy 4. Okay. Oh no, they're all mixed up. No, now like pumpkin seeds are not that rare anymore. Oh look, they grew like in the video. So they can only grow in autumn. So yeah. What about my tree? Did it change? No, it didn't. But look at these. Oh my god, they're all orange. Wow. Look at this. They're all orange. Wow. So I'm guessing that these are not red anymore. So yeah. Bad. Why developers? Why? This used to be like a limited item. So anyways, bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye. Don't forget to say bye to Celtus. Wait. Are these straight grass? Oh no, they're just grass. Anyways, bye. And also my island looks disgusting now. I hate this. Bye. And say goodbye to Celtus. And I will just press come back X4 because I bought everything for you. So yeah. Bye. Okay, bye.